Kedam tang pai pai ni phaisir ke parni lake somindarang kang pialong Kheibarim arni mate International Day of World Tribal Indigenous People arni lo. Bangsorni pregjam adimalong talon pona sonsi Diphu long kedo rangsina sarpo cultural hall lurulang solong setami talon pon. Karbi Anglong Indigenous Youth Association Thihekpen Kaya Songpen Kachepatir Pipon Bangso Melong TTAADC Debojit Tripura Kachetong Dun Along KLA Mepu Kamsing Hansi KCS Mepu Chandra Singh Kro KSA KNCA KSYC KUYA Lapen Pregjam Hampanga Songatumta Chitong Dun. Bangso hot is selining ti kaning Japan atengke nilitum kaya hinpen aningkan bangsa tami bangso Kheibarim mate Indigenous Day talon pon boblo. Bangso hot Karbi Anglong lo akisung ke boya buthaksi nilitum chethan pon lo pusi ning Japan.
International Day of All Indigenous People palong ke iltanutin stame chini lage chethan pripur ke lage buji bang chini dai lasila sorni bang itum tribal nang si tribal binong lo pya sorni bang itum ani lo asi itum International Day of All Indigenous People along si our meeting hu si itum chethan lo kapre kisung alam as stame itum climate change punon itum Karbi atum punon kapre atum stame dak chethan pon po asi pini Karbi Anglong jasmet pet ke Karbi Anglong Indigenous Karbi Anglong lo pati Karbi Anglong kisung alam itum chethan pon lo lasi Karbi Anglong kisung alam kelalo itum filoma non market heklong kelalo itum Karbi Anglong Indigenous rights itum ke avedo lasiati itum rights tami itum political rights tami kan mai itum jakong long du nei tai itum long dek the mai itum political rights tami itum nong ke gapiong minority dambom lo latai sono lasono taksi itum political chodali itum adjustment pet ke itum self governing long tami itum problem to the mai itum non Karbi Anglong long tami itum ke hangbom ke autonomous state hangbom asi so self governing along tami itum autonomous state itum un e purute itum Karbi itum ke indigenous abang ke kang tangji kali duk thurong porsi itum adjustment pet non amat ke itum importance ke nai bang piloma itum indigenous atau bangke nom autonomous state bang itum je palong nang po lalu put itum inglong so tum anta rengdok reng dipendak golong po
Ilitum Kheibarim matum abangke ningi sidok pen methanga Kheipen danglok methanga jutang methanga pindeng sumpora bangke jerai komponangji lasinon nilitum tipralen along sitami methanga long ri kachelong jia phansi che songpon bomlo pusi kachetong dun alohi sarpo Debojit Tripura hinpen ningje pontu
Karbi Anglong Diphu for the celebration of Indigenous tribal. So we are very hopeful and thank you. Here all together here we are celebration all Indigenous tribal. So thank you so much. Yeah, we are coming from Tripura. In Tripura also we are all indigenous tribal and Karbi, Garo, all are indigenous tribal. So we need to united together to our for our demand, for our traditional safeguard and for our everything for safeguard and we are climate change. Now we think that we are together all Northeast people. Thank you. Actually we don't get our right. That's why our demanding it's Tripura land, Greater Tripura land, and basically we know that our who is the son of soil, they don't get his own right. That's why we are fighting for our land, our right. For we are fighting for our language. We are fighting for our separate state, everything.
News report Harsing Ronghang KTV News